Today, I'd like to invite you to join me on a walk through this botanical garden. As we walk together, I'll introduce you to the practice of mindful walking, a simple way to bring more awareness, presence, and calm into your everyday life. Many people think mindfulness has to happen while sitting with your eyes closed, but mindfulness can happen anytime, anywhere. It can be a part of your everyday activities while you're moving through the world. In fact, every walk can become an opportunity to practice. So, wherever you are, imagine walking along with me. Notice what happens when we slow down enough to pay attention. Most of us spend our days moving from one task to the next, focused on where we're going rather than the experience of getting there. Mindful walking invites us to shift our attention. Instead of focusing on the destination, we become curious about the journey. Or instead of our mind being focused on all the things we have to do or what we just did, mindful walking helps bring us into the present moment. So, for the next few moments, simply notice the act of walking. One step and then another. As the path begins to climb, bring your attention to your body. Notice what it feels like to move uphill. Perhaps you notice your feet pounding on the ground or on the step. Perhaps you feel your legs working a little harder. Maybe you notice muscles engaging that you weren't aware of before. The muscles in your feet, in your calves, your thighs, your hips. So much happening inside the body with every step. Most of the time, we don't even notice. Mindful walking invites us to become curious about these ordinary sensations, not analyzing them, simply noticing. As I cross this bridge, take a moment to expand your awareness beyond the body and notice what you can see. The flowers growing next to the pond, the water below, the movement of the fish, the reflections dancing across the surface of the water. The tree stretching toward the sky. Often we move through familiar spaces without really seeing them. Mindfulness encourages us to look with fresh eyes as though we're seeing them for the first time. Now, as we walk beneath this canopy of branches, Notice what it feels like to be surrounded by nature. You can reach out and touch the leaves and see what they feel like. Notice the coolness of the shade, the movement of the air across your skin. Take a moment to feel yourself here. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, here. With each step and then the next in this moment. One of the most important parts of mindfulness is learning how to pause. Because pausing allows us to reconnect with ourselves. So, here in this part of the garden, let's stop for a moment. Notice your feet on the ground. Notice your body standing. There's nothing you need to do right now. Simply notice and just breathe. As we begin walking again, you might notice that your mind has wandered. Maybe it just wandered right now. Maybe it wandered a few minutes ago. And that's okay. That's completely normal. The goal of mindfulness is not to stop thinking. The practice is noticing when your thoughts have wandered and gently bringing your attention back. It's gently returning to the body, returning to the senses, returning to your breath. One of the things I love about walking in a garden is how easily it wakens our senses. As we move into this part of the garden, notice the colors around you, the textures, the shapes, the way the sunlight lands differently on leaves and branches. You don't need to name everything you see. Simply allow yourself to receive what's already here. So now, notice what you can hear. Perhaps it's birds singing, or the wind moving through the trees. Maybe it's the sound of your own footsteps on the path. Maybe it's the sound of people talking in the distance. See if you can listen with curiosity. Not searching, not labeling, simply listening and allowing the sounds to come to you. As we enter the rose garden, let's bring attention to another sense, the sense of smell. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And what do you smell? Perhaps it's the scent of flowers or fresh earth or green grass or leaves warmed by the sun. As we make our way back down the path, notice how the experience of walking feels now. Maybe you've become more aware of your body. Maybe you've become more aware of your senses. Maybe you've become more aware of your breath. Maybe you've noticed things that you might have overlooked before. And maybe you simply gave yourself a few minutes to slow down. Whatever your experience has been, that's enough. Because mindfulness isn't about doing it perfectly. It's simply allowing the present moment to be. It's simply about paying attention in the present moment with curiosity and without judgment. And the beautiful thing about mindful walking is that you don't need a botanical garden to practice it. You can practice it anytime, anywhere, while walking through a park, a neighborhood, a parking lot, a hallway. Any walk can become a mindful walk. The invitation is simply to pay attention, to notice, and to return, one step at a time. Thanks so much for walking with me today. And I hope you'll take this practice with you wherever your next walk leads.